As part of your expansion plans and also providing end-to-end solutions, business-to-business solutions, you're also tying up with CIMB to provide financing lines on deals done on your platform. Could you tell us more about it?
Sure. So that's part of the plan, that how we want to plug all the ecosystem partners within the used car market, together with financiers, insurance companies, and so on. So in the previous, we partnered with Funding Society on P2P side, and CIB is one of the latest entry when it comes to financing the dealers as a whole, to help revitalize the entire market. So for that is we want to be able to create a seamless process as compared to the more traditional approach right now, where to get financing to finance the inventory, it takes days to get it completed. But with this solution that we have co-partnered with CIMB, it helps speed up the entire transaction almost as quickly as within an hour.
Okay, and also, as far as your previous performance goes, in the month of May, you saw year-on-year growth in volume and overall value as well, jump by 70%. What are the numbers that you're projecting for growth for the rest of the year?
So we're coming to this year very strongly from last year, right? So last year we transacted 40,000 cars, 1% of the entire used car market, which is about 300 million in US dollar. And this year we were positioned to go 3x growth for the entire year. So I think pandemic put a pause during the lockdown period, but ever since we've seen the recovery from the recent months, I think we are still fairly confident that we'll be able to achieve a 3x growth for this year.
Okay, and Eric, just going back to this idea of future fundraising, though, can you give us more information on what the plans are and what the interest has been from potential investors?
Yeah, I think partly it was driven by some incoming interest, especially when you see that the recent success of Room's IPO that's doing B2C in the US, and at the same time, Carvana, who has jumped 200% from 12 months ago in terms of the share price. And as I mentioned, part of the fundraise is to not just continue to expand on our current business to help people to sell more cars in more cities, but we also want to provide the buying option for consumers, right? So, and I think that's a big part of how we want to invest into technology by utilizing this fundraise to complete that the ambition. So, and we hope that with the kind of investors that we attract in, we're able to help us in return to also capture more market shares in the used car industry.